I'm Sienna Bowes. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about the value of diverse viewpoints in science. So let's begin. First of all, technological innovations. Technological innovations have generally occurred in settlements and many trade routes. One example is the invention of the printing press. Which was done in the year 1440 by Johannes Gutenberg, the German Johannes Gutenberg. But this invention of the printing press has involved many inventions, especially from China. And you can guess really well, that was paper and ink. Paper and ink. Paper was transported from China to Baghdad for technological developments. China to Baghdad. Paper was transported. And about ink, this technology has also gone to Europe, as did the water-based ink from China. Water-based ink from China, which later on, from which Gutenberg had made oil-based ink. Gutenberg had made oil-based ink. And we must thank the printing press for this cross-fertilization of diverse qualities, diversities, this cross-fertilization of diversities. We must thank the printing press for this. Now you may take a look at the board before we move on to the main topic. Science benefits from diversities in viewpoints and backgrounds in its practitioners. Science benefits from diversities in viewpoints and backgrounds. Viewpoints and backgrounds in its practitioners. But we have to see, how diverse is this scientific population? How diverse is the population in the scientific community. We must answer this question. How diverse is the population in the scientific community? Well, to answer this question, stay tuned in this episode, but before that, you may take a look at the board. Now I will answer this question. You say woman, people of color, and other underrepresented groups, and other underrepresented groups have endeavored a lot to finally become professional scientists. They have groups have put in lots of effort into becoming professional scientists. Professional scientists. But in the last 50 years, we have changing attitudes about these underrepresented groups. We are finally trying to give more opportunity for them to also become parts of this scientific community to increase diversity, as science always benefits from diversity in viewpoints or backgrounds in its practitioners. In the last 50 years, changing attitudes about career options have given opportunities for underrepresented groups opportunities for underrepresented groups to be a part of the scientific community. The scientific community. However, something is bad news. The pace is slow. The pace is slow for these changing attitudes, and still many underrepresented groups, like I said, women, people of color, etc., they are not getting they are not getting enough opportunities in many fields of science and technology. But if we raise more voice on this topic, then maybe we can change the scientific community. So now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.